In this video, we're going to talk about using proxies for web scraping and why they're important. Most websites today have protection systems that monitor IP addresses, limit request rates, and block suspicious activity. If you try to scrape a website using only one IP address, it will likely get blocked very quickly. This is where proxies come in. A proxy acts as an intermediary between you and the target website, allowing you to send requests from multiple IP addresses instead of just one. This helps make your activity look more natural and reduces the risk of getting blocked. There are several types of proxies. Data center proxies are fast and affordable, but easier to detect. Residential proxies use real residential IP addresses, making them harder to block. Mobile proxies use carrier IPs and offer even higher trust levels. ISP proxies combine data center speed with residential legitimacy. You can also use rotating proxies, which automatically change the IP address to help reduce detection during large scraping tasks. To improve your scraping success, it's important to use clean IPs, rotate them properly, and control your request speed. This is where FlashProxy can help. FlashProxy provides residential, mobile, ISP, and data center proxies with large IP pools and reliable rotation options, making scraping more stable and efficient. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.